Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit a cinematic video in CapCut with AI, and here's how it is done. In CapCut, you start by selecting the clip, then go to the speed settings. What you will see are basic speed options, but for speed ramps, you need to switch to the curves tab. You can use presets, but I prefer customizing them to match the music's rhythm, adjusting the speed points until it flows just right. Once you get the hang of tweaking these points, your video will look smooth and dynamic. Next, I cut the clips to match the beat of the music. CapCut's AI-powered auto beats feature made this easier by highlighting where the beats land, allowing me to sync the cuts effortlessly. It is a simple feature that can elevate your video without much effort. Then, I added sound effects to accentuate the speed ramp, which adds a bit of drama. Layering in beach and ocean sounds help create atmosphere and emotion throughout the sequence. The final touch was color grading. I started with a pre-made filter called Miami to set the tone and then adjusted the temperature, saturation, and contrast to make the colors pop a little more. The HSL tab, Hue, Saturation, Luminance tab allowed me to fine-tune specific colors, like boosting the yellows and oranges to bring out the warm, sunset glow. Lastly, I adjusted the color curves to tweak the shadows and highlights, adding just a touch of blue to the darker areas for a balanced look. That is everything you need to know about how to edit a cinematic video in CapCut with AI. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.